was of a different kind from the Ascals. Phil Younghusband opening the scoring in the 25th minute with this glorious piece of work, beating the Cambodian goalkeeper. All the talk coming into this game was about Javier Patino. Instead, it's Phil Younghusband who opened the scoring, and then this amazing, wonderful piece of skill as he bends that ball around. Alam mo, si Phil, siguro, pinapansin na siya ng mga ibang clubs dyan sa Europe kapag napapanood nila yan. That is just amazing stuff.
Yes. And the third goal, a good cross again. Again, the third goal of Phil Younghusband heads it in, hits the crossbar, but the ball drops inside the line or inside the goal, scoring that for the Philippines. So sabi nga nila, once pumasok yung buong bola sa loob ng line, kahit mag-bounce out pa siya, considered goal na yun.
Then Schrock to Phil, to Javi, disturbing the nets, making it 4-0. Wonderful team football. Some perhaps not the best defending from Cambodia.
It just goes to the experience of Phil being able to see the runners behind him, allowing him to do that one touch to Javi Patino.
Just as he did against Kuwait, Stefan Schrock from long range scoring, bit fortuitous there. Pumaplis sa paa ng defender that made it 5-0, and then 6-0 in the 52nd minute from Javier Patino, outwitting 3 or 4 defenders. Then the rains just wouldn't stop. That's why our officials have decided to call at least a temporary halt to proceedings here in Rizal Memorial Football Stadium. Do not go away. There could still be some football tonight. We'll take another break, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
This special is brought to you by Alaska Powdered Milk.
Lahat ng bata pwede maging somebody someday. Si Paco.